That's why I'm saving all my love for you. Yeah, saving all my love.
Hey guys, it's me and Michelle again, and I'm here to show you guys how I do my wash and go, only using SheaMoisture products. So I already shampooed and conditioned my hair, and yes, I did use SheaMoisture shampoo and conditioner to wash my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I do after I wash my hair. So I'm just going to take my ponytail down. And my hair feels amazing right now. It feels so soft. Right now it's still a little damp, but I definitely want it to be a little damper than this. So I'm just going to spray it down with my spray water bottle. I'm going to add my Nourishing and Restore Serum by SheaMoisture, and that is with the Jamaican black castor oil line. And I'm just going to add a few drops to each section and then massage it into my scalp. This is going to help promote hair growth, and it's going to make my hair resistant to any breakage that I may have. The next thing that I'm going to add is the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by SheaMoisture. The Curl Enhancing Smoothie is really good for people with thick and extremely curly hair. If your hair is on the thicker side, I suggest using something that's a little thicker in consistency. SheaMoisture does have other products for those who may have thinner hair or may have finer hair, but my hair sucks up a lot of moisture, so I need products that are really heavy to put on my hair so that it doesn't just grow gigantic. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my dimming brush and I'm going to brush through my hair, and this will help define my curls and clump them together. Just want to comb through like this. And then scrunch it up. And boom. You got some defined curls. Just brush it through a couple times, get the knots out, and boom. I hate that I get so much shrinkage because my hair is longer than what it looks like. Look how short it looks. My hair is like all the way down here, right there. And this is how short it is. Now that I have finished that, I'm just going to lay my edges. And I'm going to use the Jamaican black castor oil strengthening growth and restore treatment. And this is kind of like a gel consistency. It's for chemically processed hair, natural hair, color treated hair, style treated hair. And you want to just take a little bit. I'm using a toothbrush. I always use this toothbrush. So I'm just going to get some on my brush, and if you guys can see, I'm just going to swoop that down like that. Push that back. This scarf, I got it from Walmart. It's called Evolve, and it's basically like a wrap for real. And just put it behind, like underneath your hair, and then over your ears. and lay it flat on your head like that. Make sure it's covering your edges and make sure it's somewhat tight. So now I'm just going to let it dry on its own. I'm actually going to put it up in a high pineapple to stretch it like this. I don't like using the diffuser because I noticed that it shrinkens my hair even more. So my hair already had a lot of shrinkage and I don't want it to shrink more than that. I just did one loop. I don't want to do 2 loops because I don't want it to be flat on the sides. I'll be back in a couple hours and I'll show you guys the finished results. Okay guys, this is the finished look and I'm really impressed with it. I hope you guys like it. My hair feels amazing. It's really soft and bouncy. Last night I did sleep with the pineapple in and I took it out this morning and then I just stretched the bottom of my hair to make sure everything was stretched out. And then I just went over my edges a little bit more with the strengthening treatment from SheaMoisture. And this is about it. I just played with it a little bit. I didn't pick it out or anything. This is how it is. And I'm just going to continue to sleep with it up in a pineapple to make sure it stretches out a little bit more. And by the last day, it will be a little bit longer. It'll probably be like around here. But this is how it usually looks on the first day. And that's about it for this video. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below, like if you have enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos to come.